Good morning.
Good morning, my dear Shushki. I'm in the episode. Martin invited me to something, but I don't know what or which one yet, or if we're going to eat. I'm actually hungry.
When you go into the shop, first of all, you definitely know there's a restaurant there.
I know.
People go there for the meatballs, for the fish, good prices, but they also have their own shops, and here we have 12 products, maybe 14 as usual. We take them out, try them, and say what's worth it.
Oh, I used to eat bars like this in the States. They were really filling.
I'll tell you, I'm a wafer guy, sisters. I have to have a wafer.
It's convenient and different. It looks healthy, smells like nuts. This is good.
It gives me peace. Oh, damn. Very natural, very tasty.
And the glaze is like what everyone is pouring on floors nowadays.
With resin, it's a bit better than honey, not really. But you can taste each nut separately. It's a cool thing. For me, it's a good product.
Pavel, you have to work up a sweat before you eat it. So you eat one and you're already full. It's nice.
This is the kind that, since we're going on a cruise soon, right? I could have one of these in my backpack for...
Except not this makar.
Of course, it's kind of half joking, half serious that this is healthy food, just healthier than wafers, because maybe that's how it is. That's what I think. I'm just guessing. So, to sum up, would you buy this product again or not?
That's right. Definitely yes.
I'd buy it too, even though I didn't need it, since we're saving calories for drinks.
No matter what I eat, it'll be high calorie.
Bravo.
I don't know.
What is this Swedish thing? I thought these were cinnamon rolls, but actually this is rolled dough with almond and vanilla flavored filling. Oh, Walkerzisto.
If they don't use too much artificial vanilla, it could taste great.
It might have the vibe of 7 days or something good, but it smells like 7 days.
That artificial flavor is very 7 days like, but I actually like it.
But my mouth is watering. Like, it's been a while since I had 7 days. This is vanilla. It's 7 days. It's harder, drier, not puffed up.
It's more compact, but I think it's too dense. For me, it's just nom nom nom.
You know what I like? That it has the filling evenly spread throughout the whole pastry. Not like 7 days where I'm eating a dry bun, but here the layers are spread and rolled, and that's top for me. It's the same all the way through.
No, he didn't tear down my curtains, no. No, the taste is flat for me. None of the flavors stand out. If you told me there's vanilla plus, what else? Almonds, I absolutely wouldn't know. Unless maybe I can taste it more.
That's crazy, because for me it's just perfect. The vanilla is spot on. I don't like it when the vanilla is overdone. And this one has a nice vanilla flavor. It's a bit buttery.
Yeah, buttery, yeah.
I really like the taste.
Oh, 2 milk buns, oh yeah.
Now that you mention it, it's actually really close to that taste.
Yeah.
But it should be more, not just extra.
But for me, let me tell you, my references. Vanilla, Danio vanilla, that's vanilla. And here it's not.
No, it's not.
This is Onio, Danio, Anio. This is Anio without Danio. I feel sorry for the calories. The taste didn't stand out and I couldn't taste any vanilla. To me, it's just a steamed bun or small roll. The final question was, would I buy it? No, I wouldn't buy this.
And if you weren't on a diet?
I still wouldn't buy it. And
All right, but I would buy it and I recommend it to you, so that's cool. In my opinion, for kids in the car, eating something like this, it's dry but moist. That's the worst thing I can tell you. Soft but hard. Yeah, it's weird, but you have to understand, because I compare everything to 7 days. These are like mini 7 days for me. They work for me, they don't work for you, and that's fine. Now it's your turn.
oh,
Pichko.
Langlur?
Langlure, so let's pour, oh yeah, Kaziku, how nice. This is a mix of fruits and vegetables, but look at that color. They're floating, the pulp is floating. I'm already reading. A mix of apple juice and purees from apples, fennel, celery, spinach, kale with added vitamin C. And now 56% is apple juice. Apple puree is 28%, so most of it is apple.
In my opinion, they had to kill the taste of everything with apple. All right, let's try it. Oh wow, it smells like broth powder.
That's crazy. I don't know if it's a vegetable or a fruit.
It's more like soup, maybe a bit like Maggi seasoning.
That's crazy, but it has a vibe.
Flatness. Not at all. Not juice at all. Not that kind of drink. Seriously.
For me, I like the taste, considering there's kale and dill in it. I think to myself, this is healthy.
Maybe it's good for the stomach.
Not exactly for digestion, but it can't be that it's not good, right?
It's not bad. And it's like rinse water, as if they rinsed something out.
Yeah, because they wash those vegetables.
Yeah.
Yeah, sort of like a dirty apple.
Yeah, I can taste the dirt.
I can taste it. I can taste it. Yeah, there's that earthy flavor. But you know what? It's something worth trying. I think this juice could have both fans and people who don't like it. Would you buy it again?
I wouldn't buy it, would you? Yeah, wow, you know what? I'll admit, I've only been to IKEA twice in my life and only ate there once, so you know.
What did you eat?
I definitely had the meatballs, but I remember it ended up being expensive. I paid a pretty big bill, but would I go to that kind of restaurant again? Yes. Would I buy it? Well, not really.
Would you buy that juice again? Would I go to the restaurant? Yes. Did I have a good time riding my bike yesterday? Yes.
And would I buy it?
Not good chocolate. I don't like white chocolate either. It's not that. It's with raspberries, but not really raspberries. Sugar is first, then powdered milk, cocoa butter, glucose syrup, raspberries. Attention, 0.8%.
No, come on, don't joke, no.
That's an emulsifier, natural flavor, and that's it.
They just sprinkled it with raspberries. I'll tell you this, the box vibe gives off Lindita. Yeah.
Now touch it.
After a year in immigration, yeah.
No, look at this. What a hit, 0.8%. And look, what an impression, how much, right? And look how nicely IKEA did it. Symmetrically here. These sides are like this, or maybe it's a trick.
Is this maybe some kind of plagiarant? Well, let's try.
But the milk one tastes like the filling from a surprise egg, but it's good.
It's hard to find the raspberry, the filling, like you said, this Guinness is delicious, really delicious, and the eggs are good. Wow, no way. Yeah, really, you read that the ingredients are bad and so on. I totally indulge in it.
Oh, damn.
I'll eat one more piece, seriously. But honestly, there's like 0.008 raspberries in there. It's just for looks, it doesn't really add to the ingredients.
It's interesting, though, it doesn't add much, unless without the raspberry it wouldn't taste as good. We don't know.
That it enhances the flavor.
Or maybe it gives everything. It's a very good product, he says. He's an opponent of white chocolate. For me, white chocolate is not an opponent of white chocolate. It could not exist. I would buy it, but wow.
So I have two, bought two, not, okay. Oh, if I had to read what it is, it's cafe rep. I don't know, some kind of kebab repetition rep. Recently, I was at the gym. There was also a personal trainer, and he was just like that, talking. And there was one rep, another rep, and by the 9th one already. And my rep, I'm happy. I would feel it. Oh, let's push.
Let's push. Some trainers just sit on their phones during workouts.
Hey, not this one, but some of them do sit.
When I'm there, it's a disaster.
So no, here's a little message to coaches. If you have trainees, just focus on them. Phones can always wait until later. Ginger cookies with almonds, they have something for almonds, these sweets, which means there's something good and healthy in them, or maybe they just have a lot of them. As many as 34 pieces. That's quite a lot of cookies.
But wait, they're thin? Yeah, nice, kind of like biscuits?
Biscuits, yeah, but these are the kind you dip in tea.
Yeah, and those ginger spice cookies too.
But oh Jesus, Markin.
But you have to like them.
Ingredient: wheat flour, sugar, margarine, fats, vegetable oils, palm oil, soy with egg. I would buy them. Damn, I like the taste, but they're kind of flat. And because of the ingredients, I definitely wouldn't buy them because they seem messed up to me. Not like crazy. Unhealthy. But 37.5?
You're building an altar for yourself. That's what it is.
What about that? This is my reward. This is halfway. I'll grab this too, and this one at the end when we're about to leave. Would you buy it? No, I can't right now.
What is rice mess? Knacker brought florcolen.
For me, you know, it reminds me of those wasa breads.
Yeah, but packed like rice cakes and not. Although someone actually thought about it here, I didn't even expect that. Well,
me too.
IKEA, that's some real thought.
That even the engineers there design a hat. Whoa.
But it's nicely baked. You see that, Kuba? It's already crispy. Well,
but I really want to eat that.
Jesus, I would eat that with yellow cheese and a thick layer of butter, just the way it looks. That's how I pack it.
It's good, but I taste Chomik, probably because Chomik eats things like this. Still, it's good.
This is great.
The foundation of aroma and taste. This is an Instagram bread, a well-built guy, but not just for Instagram. When he walks on the beach, among those 90%, he stands out, and you can see he's in shape. He wasn't pretending, he trained all year for years, and he can flex confidently on the beach. That's him, that's a good athlete.
I don't want to say anything, but for now, this is definitely my #1 product. Amazing. Everyone should have this at home. Anyone who uses those rice cakes, ask him how to make it. Seriously, yes, exactly like that. That's a good comparison. That's exactly how I feel.
I would buy it.
Very good product.
Snap mild mustard, but that it's mustard for tasting, but it looks good.
It looks good, but it's mild.
Good, it's good.
Sorry, I wasn't looking, but it's very mustardy. I really like the cream. It tastes great.
But I'll tell you, those flavors really hit me inside.
I'll take mine out now since I knew there was ketchup in it.
With Fariuka, it would be delicious. But I forgot.
But with those sour ones,
Sour passata.
well, but weak ketchup, no spices, there's nothing in it, just, I get it. And tomato puree.
Exactly.
But you know what? I'll give you something, but wait. Only this can save it, but I'll say, just wait.
I wouldn't call these products a failure.
For me, it's a tragedy.
Hey man, I'd love some grilled kielbasa right now. Oh man, you just reminded me, the sun barely came out.
Hey, contrary to appearances, only now is something happening, and it's better, and it's better.
They're killing our time together?
No, they complemented each other. There's nothing here, there's too much here. This is sour, this is sweet.
That for a hot dog, you add both anyway.
Uh-huh, and I guess so.
This is made very well. I might buy it for home, but to eat it every day for breakfast and so on, no. But for a barbecue, sure.
Mustard is better for me than ketchup. I wouldn't buy either, but others might like them.
Oh, orange with carrot.
Carrot and kaki? When you were little, you probably pooped too, right?
Here the carrot takes a back seat.
There's nothing here. Here is sour orange. This is orange and grapefruit. So you know what? What? No. This is pomelo.
But you really teamed up that carrot?
Poor thing. No, honestly, it shouldn't be like that. We just messed up sour orange.
There was potential, and now it's just regular orange juice, really. And if you're aware again, it's just the most ordinary. There's nothing special about it like, wow, it's going to be good.
I don't agree with you because it's not the most ordinary. Because there's pulp floating, there are pieces of the fruit floating. So when I feel those pieces on my tongue, I know it's something better.
That's not always true for juices.
No, I mean, if it's beet juice, there aren't any orange pieces in it. I would drink it because it seems healthy, but it's not like IKEA reinvented juice or magically changed it. No, it's just what you love.
Oh, gum.
Your favorite candies? Oh, no.
Licorice?
It has 84 grams of sugar per 100 grams.
Oh, glad I took 2 more.
But it smells bad.
You put a bit of it into music.
Very delicate.
That woman is delicate.
Oh no, you know what? In a moment, it'll be toothpaste, chewed cocoa, dark chocolate, damn, cough syrup.
But no, please, write in the comments and like this post. Who really likes licorice? Seriously, hand on your heart. Not just like, write that it's licorice. But really, do you like it?
What happened, Kshushu? Oh.
It makes everything, my ham is coming back up.
I think the name is better than the packaging, which doesn't reveal much. Do you see that, Kuba?
I would say it's soup cream.
And this is a lemon dill sauce. Just for what? A sauce for calling for help?
Good.
No, you pour it over something and put it in the oven.
But I'll tell you, that's what it gives me. Because I would, I would pour it over with carrots and peas. Yeah, like in the cafeteria.
No, damn. The beginning is better than the end because the last note is chemical.
Yeah, floury.
But floury, no, but there's also lemon.
He tries to wash it down.
It's like if you made a stew with peas, added lemon because you could taste the lemon, added dill, washed everything, and then poured in what was left from the stew with flour.
Oh no.
Something feels off. The bag arrived.
Let me put it this way. The little bag with chemicals is unnecessary and a shame.
There was a lot of potential for this product, but contrary to appearances, I won't buy it. That's all. But if you like those stew-like flavors with dill, and there's also a bit of lemon, so some sourness, then someone should give it a try. That aftertaste bothers us, but we're experienced testers, so,
Dill if you like it. Tastes like being out in the field, all over your mouth. Oh, this is chocolate, so probably dark. You can even hear how bitter it is, like Delini Pojaka. And now you can say you ate a little square, not a bar. It's like a paving stone. A little square kind of has a Weddell vibe, but with a hint of milk chocolate. I can appreciate that a bit. The cocoa is well mixed, ground, this cocoa, but okay, cocoa, but 4 little squares. Patek gives up.
Now there's a question. I wanted to say that it tastes to me not like an 80, but where from? We know that this is an 80, this is a 60. If it were an 80 and tasted like this, it would be a good 80. Yes. Is there something special here that you'll eat at IKEA? That's the point. I'm at IKEA. I did some shopping. I have to go down to the shop to pick it up. No.
The basics, fundamentals. Maybe compare them to those from Lidl, Biedronka, or Mirelek.
I have from that series, the one you had, the orange thick ones, because it's simply 13 pieces of almond cookies. Look.
But I like these old ones, damn. I really like these cookies.
Kind of like the vibe of Piegosek or something, but more like craft ones, you know. But it's nice, a crunchy cookie.
A nice sponge cake at the bottom, like a base, right? Hey, these are good, but you can really taste the sugar. Just sugar.
Too good for me to sleep down.
I ate.
Healthy, but sweet. It's soaked like baklava, like with sugar water. This is definitely something I'd grab here. One more.
No, because look, how much would be left?
It's summary time, so this will be included, but there's still one episode left, so stay tuned. There are 14 more products. Krzysiu, ooh, what will I buy at IKEA? Definitely. Considering that this has almost a year of shelf life, oh, I'll definitely buy 5 of these. Very good product, very good ingredients, and this is the #1 product I buy. Now you, tell me the first one you would buy.
I know, for me it's a clear winner.
Chocolate.
Definitely, that's my thing.
And now my product #2, well, that's this chocolate. It's really good. I don't like white chocolate. It tastes like quality, or maybe I just don't know much about chocolate quality.
Yeah, quality.
It's really tasty, and that's my #2. All right, so far we're doing well. My #3 are these cookies. I really like them.
They've been on my mind, but they're a bit hard for my taste. That's why, personally, for me, these ones win. And these are my 3 products that, if I ever go to IKEA, I'll gladly reach for.
I have a special mention. I'm taking it as the 4th one. I really fought for this one too. I just like the taste because it's very sweet, and that speaks to me because it's really nice. So it's not that bad because you can find something halfway. That's actually cool. There's an episode where we say, don't take this, don't take that, don't take this. It's a waste of your money, but take this. I think it somehow helps you with shopping.
Because even if it doesn't help, I can still try it.
Krzysiek, I have a suggestion for you. We're not cleaning up like this. I'm going to get another box. You guys don't go anywhere because you're clicking on the next video. You won't see it live, but it'll be there if you watch a week later. We're saying goodbye, but we'll be back with another 14 products. Don't go anywhere.
All right, thank you and see you in a moment. Thank you, Mr. Pushka.